In this video, I will show you how to connect a custom email domain to GoHighLevel so that you can send emails from your own custom domain inside of your GoHighLevel account. So first just sign into your sub account and then you want to go to settings in the bottom left. Then click on email services here under business services. What you will then see is this. Now here you want to click dedicated domain, which means you can connect your own domain. So go and click on that. And from there, I already have this domain right here. So I'll just go and delete it for this example so that I can do it over again. So click delete. And then from there, you will see this. So just click add domain. Then here type in your domain, which for me is this one right here. So not your email, just your domain. For me, danistutorials.live, and click add and verify. Now next you will need to add some DNS records to your domain. And how that works kind of depends on where you bought your domain. So you can see right here your URL, just click continue. It will then give you the DNS records. Now my domain I bought on GoDaddy. If it's Namecheap for you or anywhere else, just sign into wherever you bought it. Now the process is pretty similar, so I'll show you the process. Just open up your domain provider, go to your domain. So on GoDaddy, click my products and then go to domain right here. Now go to DNS. And here you will find your DNS records. Now I'm going to click on add new record and we just need to add all of these. So here you can see it's txt, that's this part, the type. So set that to txt. Then here you have the host, so in this case add, just paste that in. And the value, you can just copy this right here and paste that in and click save. So you want to go through all of these, so another txt, and just add all of these records onto your domain. Now again, this may look slightly different if yours is from Namecheap or somewhere else, but just going to add the DNS records. Now this one is a CNAME, so that means that here under the type, instead of txt, we set it to CNAME. And finally to MX records with the @ right here, and then in the value right here it is. Now it asks for a priority in this case, I'll just do 0, then click save. And then with the MX right here again, do another new record and add MX, add priority 0, and then right here the value, then click save. So after you add all 5 of these records, you want to click verify. Now most likely it isn't going to work instantly since this takes some time. You can see a few of them are already verified, those are quite quick, but for example the MX records will take some time. And now we can actually see the priority here needs to be 10. So what I'm going to do is just update the MX because it didn't show it earlier. So go to the MX records and then priority, just set it to 10, save, and do that for both of your MX records if you also did 0. Now here you can click verify domain and then it's going to try again. Now you can see pretty much everything is verified. We're only still waiting for the txt with hostname @ and then the value to be entered. Now if you go into your DNS records and you see that exact value, so this one is SPF1, we can see we actually have that one right here. But I already used this domain to also connect to system.io, so I already have another one. I'm just going to delete this so that I don't have any conflicting records. So now everything is set to verified right here, and then you can just again click verify domain. Now this can take some time, but once you then click verify domain, you then have it right here. Now it's doing a domain warm-up, so it's going to do the warm-up for you, so it says warm-up in progress, and we now have connected our dedicated domain. So now right here inside of the email builder, I just added the domain right here, so danistutorials.live, then the sender email, set it to whatever you want, for example dani@danistutorials.live. You can also set a custom reply to address. If you leave this unticked, they'll just reply to this email, which for me is fine since this is an actual inbox I have. But from there you want to go and click on review and send, and if you then send it, I've just sent a test email, you will receive it in your inbox as you can see from dani@danistutorials.live. So we've now connected a custom email domain for sending emails in GoHighLevel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.